and they develop their own rules, and what we are trying to do is provide them with alternative protein and alternative income. We have 16 members, 16 households in the first group, of which many of them are women and also young children. They start with young boys and girls. They start with rabbits. They then move up to guinea fowl. They have ducks, guinea pigs, and then eventually they go up to goats. It's running as a microcredit scheme, so they have to pay back their loan to the group in a number of animals once the animals breed. And these small programs, all following the same model, are scalable. We can scale them up to many villages inside Niassa Reserve and have communities increasing their food security. And I know last year I introduced our Lion Scholarship Program, and we had our first 3 Lion Scholars in November last year, and they are doing really well. We found in the villages that not a single child in the village of 2,000 people was going to secondary school, because the secondary school is 75 kilometers away. And these are the future. We have to get people educated so that they can take positions and earn themselves alternative livelihoods. These 3 boys, particularly the smallest boy who's holding the radio tracking aerial, are doing fantastically. His headmaster had really good things to say about his honesty and the way that he has been interacting in the boarding house that he is. At the end of this year, we'll have another 6 students, and I'm hoping that we will have 3 girls as well. We don't only provide the scholarship, but we also provide mentorship. And so Agostino and Mbumba spent a lot of time with these boys, and Eusebio, our research scout, actually spent some time with them taking them out lion tracking in their July school holidays. For the last 5 years, we've had Lion Fun Days. We pin the tail on the lion, pin the tail on the warthog. We have many races. We do painting. For the first and only time in a year, the children get to paint something. This year it'll be masks. Last year it was these scenes on white sheets where there were lots of animals. They all painted them. And then we had our team in the local languages talking to them about snaring and talking to them about poaching and alternative and solutions. And this year, we have a film crew, a Mozambican film crew, coming down to our Lion Fun Days, which are on the 1st and the 2nd of November, and they will be showing the message to other villages across Niassa. And I'd just like to right at this moment thank the Houston Zoo for supporting our Lion Fun Days, because they have a sister program in the Houston Zoo where they do exactly the same activities every year. And this is really a way of connecting the projects in the field with you here in the US. And some of you might remember this picture. This is our amazing construction crew that are more than 20 men from the local village that did a skills training course in construction last year, and we provided them with certificates when they were able to learn the skills to build our environmental and skills training center. They all came back this year, and we're in our 2nd year of construction.